So the UK has a long heritage of innovation, of discovery, of research, and with that comes many different companies that produce solutions, including the IVD market. And the UK government wants to accelerate that with our modern industrial strategy. So for instance, we've committed to £2 billion of investment into our life science ecosystem. I think that China is a manufacturing superpower. So I see a lot of collaboration with UK innovations and Chinese manufacturing capabilities, efficiency and low cost, to be able to come together to create the solutions in IVD that will make better patient outcomes for both China and UK health systems. So we work with a lot of UK companies, everyone from small companies to the big multinationals, and we work with them in different ways. For smaller companies, we help them with advice, with regulatory information, but most critically, we also connect them with Chinese partners who can help their innovation to be entered into the Chinese market. And with multinational companies, we help them with their R&D capabilities, with getting their sort of innovations in front of Chinese government as well, to showcase how the UK is collaborating with China in some of the most cutting-edge areas, whether that's in biopharma, medical devices, or even healthcare services. That is what we do as the Department for Business and Trade. And we've also set up bilateral programs with China. So for instance, last year we launched the UK-China Health Innovation Platform, which is a DBT and MOFCOM CEPA initiative to help encourage our companies on both sides to connect, meet each other, and more importantly, increase the volume of pipeline innovations that can enter each system. The UK and China have very similar challenges in aging-related diseases, everything from diabetes to cardiovascular to cancer. So the NHS's 10-year plan, which is our health strategy, looks at prevention as one of the areas where we can help to mitigate the problems for aging society-related diseases. And I think that matches very closely and well with the Healthy China 2030 program as well. So for the UK, we've got a lot of institutions such as universities looking at research in areas of aging-related diseases. But I think more importantly, we've got a lot of UK companies as well, some of which are here today, like Randox, GeneFirst, and Virex Biolabs, that are looking at early detection and screening, which I think is one of the most important areas for aging societies. And I really hope that we can also welcome some Chinese companies to the UK as well to collaborate in this area. Well, recently the Prime Minister of our country visited China in January, and he met with China's leaders, and I think both of them did mention life sciences as a key to common challenges that we have, such as aging society and global health, and also the promotion of business and innovation in this space. And I think that's where the two countries can have a longer-term relationship, is in businesses and exchanges of ideas that accelerate adoption of innovation in both health systems. So for instance, in things such as standards, aging care, policy, in regulatory efficiency, I think these are the areas where China and the UK can exchange more. And we've also got very good examples already that I think we can consider as pioneers of UK-China collaboration, such as AstraZeneca, who've just recently committed to investing $15 billion into the Chinese health system and to their presence, and also universities that have joint institutions and collaborations in China as well, whether that's King's College London University, or Cambridge, or UCL, Manchester, Liverpool. I think we've got lots of good examples of collaboration that we can continue in the future.